In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change language settings in Google AI Studio. First, sign in to your Google AI Studio account and open Google AI Studio in your web browser. Once the page is fully loaded, move your cursor to any empty area on the page and right-click. This will open your browser menu. From that menu, choose the translation option. In many browsers, this may appear as Translate to English or simply Translate, depending on your current language settings. After you click the translation option, give the browser a moment to load the translation feature. When it is ready, look toward the top right area of your browser window. You should see the translation icon appear there. Click that icon to open the translation panel. Inside the translation panel, you will see the current language and the available translation controls. Open the language selection menu, then click the language drop-down arrow to view the list of available languages. Scroll through the list carefully and select the language that you want to use for Google AI Studio. Once you have chosen your preferred language, click Translate. The browser will begin translating the page. Wait a few moments while the interface updates. After the translation is complete, review the Google AI Studio interface to confirm that the text is now displayed in the language you selected. If you want to switch to a different language later, click the translation icon again in the top right corner of the browser. Open the language menu, choose another language from the list, and click Translate once more. The page will refresh its translated text based on your new selection. If you ever want to return to the original version of the page, click the translation icon again and select Show Original. This will remove the translated version and restore the interface to its default language. Wait for the page to switch back, then check the text on the screen to make sure the original language has been restored. This method works through your browser's built-in translation feature, so the exact wording of the options may vary slightly depending on the browser you are using. The overall process remains the same and is a quick way to view Google AI Studio in a language that is easier for you to read. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.